This is how I go from this to this every single day, right? So I apologize if like there's like a lot of noise in the background. If you hear something going beeping, that's my AC. Anyway, first what I use is the L'Oreal. Why did I say it like that? Anyway, first I use is the L'Oreal Paris. The L'Oreal Paris full coverage concealer. Here, I'll put a picture like somewhere right there with this foundation concealer. This is not even sponsored, all right? It should be though, because I'm about to speak so highly of this concealer. It should be sponsored. Now, this concealer is full coverage and it's waterproof. This is the best concealer I have ever used. And listen, let me tell you something. I have a lot of different concealers. These are all concealers. The reason why they're a full is because I always get concealers right off Amazon that I think are my color, and then they're never not. They have like different undertones. But this one, perfect. Literally, it felt like a match made in heaven. Now I'm gonna take this brush and blend it. Now the way I blend concealer, I blend it in a certain way, alright? It's called the triangle method. Like you draw a triangle underneath your eyes. But it's not a regular triangle. No. It's not a regular triangle. It's like, oh man, I feel like I'm in geometry class. What's those triangles called that's like slanted? I don't know. Anyway, you can see what I'm doing. Like right here, I go from the corner of my eye down to the bottom of my nose, point it, and go to the corner of the other corner of my eye. That's the triangle that I blend it in. And also I put concealer on my chin and on my forehead. I take a bigger brush and blend that out. Really, the smaller brush is only to apply it in the area that I need it. Then I take the bigger brush to blend it actually all out. Now, you might think this is a little aggressive, and it is, but oh well. I need to make sure it's blended. You ever see those people that have like makeup that you could clearly tell they did not blend it right? Unfortunately for me, my eyes are so bad, like my under eye bags, they're so bad that even when I put concealer on, you can still see it. All right, see what I'm talking about? Like you can see my bags. Like it changes the color, but does not change the shape. Setting powder. This is the worst part of my makeup experience. I hate setting powder. Don't ask me why I did that. Now I take this used up sponge. I need to get a new one, all right? Money's tight, all right? So we're gonna use this overly used sponge. Dip it in the setting powder. Now let me tell you something. I'm gonna put you on to something real quick, all right? This is the worst setting powder I ever used. Again, this is not promotion. I'm too irrelevant to be sponsored, all right? So anything I say in this is not sponsored. It's coming out of here, my brain. Anyway, this is the worst setting powder ever. This is $10 from a beauty hair supply, all right? But before this, I was using one size. That's when I had a little bit more money. I was using one size setting powder by Jeffree Star. Yes, Jeffree Star, right? No. Yeah, Jeffree Star. I can't think of his name. Every time I think of Jeffree Star, I always think of Patrick Star. Anyway, I was using that one and it was so much better. Because the reason why I hate this is that it goes everywhere. And I feel like it goes in my nose like I'm doing drugs. Let's close that up. Enough of that. It gets everywhere. If you're wondering why I'm turning my head back there, it's because right now I'm not breathing. Because I'm not trying to get this stuff in my nose. When I say I'm on a budget, I mean I'm on a budget, alright? Look at this. This is what I do. This is what I do to do my eyebrows, alright? See, that's it. I brush it up and then I brush it down. But once a month, I take a razor, you know those face razors, and I shape it up. Because I will start to grow unibrow, alright? And you don't want me walking around like this. So once a month, I will shave my face, my whole face. Because I'm a hairy person. I love this mascara. This is the Lash Princess. The Lash Princess mascara. Lengthening mascara. Lash Princess lengthening mascara. Get out of my face. If I had to pick one makeup product to wear the rest of my life, it would be mascara, alright? If I had to pick one product to use for the rest of my life, it will always be mascara. I just love making my eyelashes look long. I love mascara. I love. I sound just like her, right?
Bombastic side eye.
Anyway, this is not eyeliner. It's lip liner. Actually, this might be eyeliner. I don't know. Now, this is a black pencil, but I don't want black lip liner. I'm gonna show you a trick. Alright? Pay attention. Class is in session. Oh, that rhymed. Pay attention. Class is in session. Anyway, you see how I only lined my bottom lip? Yeah. Now I'm gonna do this a little bit. And now it's up here. Now I'm gonna take my lip gloss. Gloss it up. Smear it around. Now, I'm gonna take a tissue. Because right now I'm looking emo, alright? Tonight's the night I will fall for you. Anyway. And I'm gonna wipe away the like outer layer of my lip. Smear that around a little bit. Now I'm gonna take my lip gloss again and go in the middle. You see? Only the middle, not the tops. And there you have it, right? I got that nice ombre from, why am I talking in that accent? Anyway, what's wrong with me? Ouch. I have the ombre from Brown. I put black eyeliner on, not eyeliner, lip liner. I put black lip liner on, but it did not stay black. I wanted brown, so I got brown. And now there's like the ombre from brown to pink. Yeah. Anyway, I'm still trying to get used to this YouTube thing, alright? Because I'm pretty like, I don't know, I don't really think before I speak a lot of the times. So if I say something and it doesn't make sense, just ignore it. Just ignore it, alright? Anyway. That's it. Listen. If you're still here, follow. If you thought I was entertaining or funny or I don't know, anything, and you're like, you know what? She's not that bad. I could watch her. I could watch her again. Follow. Ew, are my teeth yellow? Anyway. Yeah, but you know, maybe follow my other socials. I got TikTok, I got Instagram, I got it all. Alright? I'm trying to take this content creation stuff seriously, alright? I got a Twitch. I haven't streamed yet. I don't even know how to stream. Anyway, I'm just yapping. Nobody's even probably watching still, but whatever. Bye.